In Bivoo you can create, send and manage electronic vouchers that can be received by your own beneficiaries lists, via email or the Bivoo mobile apps. Your beneficiaries will not have to be subscribed in Bivoo to receive and use your vouchers, and even, if they want, print them. Your beneficiaries will be happy, because they will never lose your vouchers again. They will be able to protect them, transfer to a friend, and even, they will be notified when a voucher is about to due. Bivoo allows to define where the vouchers can be used or discounted. To do that, Bivoo permits you to create your own affiliates network, and to define what vouchers and in what affiliates can be used on. This kind of business collaboration could be used to create cross-marketing actions, give support to your own operations, expand your service networks, better serve your customers or users, increase your sales, and many other uses. Start now, go to www.bivoo.com and join us.